Hey, this is Mark, and today I've got a mysterious case of iPhone 7 No Backlight. What could it be? We have no clue. The iPhone 7 doesn't typically have like backlight problems from, connecting the screen and blowing filters and stuff like that. So, that's kind of weird. So I guess first I'll check the pins in the connector, which, if I remember correctly, it's like one of these guys. I forget. I think it's one of these two. They look fine, right? Everything's okay. All the pins look fine, really. So, what is this? Why is there green stuff there? What could that be? Is it possible that we have some undisclosed liquid damage? No. Somebody wouldn't send a phone in without disclosing that they got it wet. That's just crazy. Alright, I don't even know what cap this is, but he's kind of ugly, so I'm going to check and see if he is short to ground. And he is not, so we're going to ignore him. And we'll flip this over and... oh my god! That looks like shit! So, I guess we may have found a problem. Alright, let's see if any of these ugly, shitty looking caps are short to ground. So we got no shorts to ground. Now let's see. I don't know what this ugly looking thing is. But it reads 0.5 on one side, 0.5 on the other. I don't know, it's kind of gross looking. Maybe it's a filter? Who knows? Guess I better clean this stuff up and then pull up ZXW and see what the hell is it that I'm looking at. And you know what? While I'm at it, just for fun, why don't I go ahead and pull this sticker off and see what things look like under there. Get up there. Alright, so our backlight area looks just fine. Let's check what is diode mode on our anode line. Anode line diode mode is about 0.54, which I don't know if that's right for an iPhone 7 or not. So now I'm checking to see if the anode connects over to this ugly looking filter. It does not. So what does it connect to? Any of these caps? Nothing? Somebody under here maybe? It goes to there! Alright, so there is our backlight filter. So now what I'm wondering is, was this sent in for no backlight when the actual problem was no image? Backlight filter definitely has to be replaced because I just took a chunk out of it while I was removing that underfill, but no worries, not a big deal. It's going to be fine. But I suspect that this phone may have an image problem. And, I didn't, when I decided, when I pulled this one out to record it, I didn't really do any diagnostics at all. I just checked, said, oh wow, look at that liquid damage. I bet that's the problem. And set it aside to record. So, I don't truly know if this was no backlight or no image. So what we're going to do is replace this backlight filter and then check and see, does it have backlight or image or both or neither? Where did I put my backlight filters for iPhone 7? There we go. Come on. I love these blue tweezers, but I hate that they are slightly magnetic. It freaking drives me nuts. Okay. Let's see if we get anything. Looks like we're booting up, and there we go. We have backlight. So it was the bad filter the whole time. All right, well, that is a nice, easy, quick one. So another one done, and thank you for watching.